Is it time to buy or sell ARAI AI stock? In this video, we will explore ARAI AI in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 8th of August, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 7th of August, 2025, our system has classified ARAI AI as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.44. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has not met our expectations, showing a decline of 5.73%. This equates to an average daily loss of 2.87% since its designation as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower part of a very wide and robust rising trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $6.30 be breached, it would first suggest a slower pace of growth and could also serve as an early warning sign of a potential trend shift. Our latest daily update for ARAI AI includes the headline, "A very red day for ARAI AI Inc. stock price after a 5.73% fall in the Friday trading session." The ARAI AI Inc. stock price decreased by 5.73% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 8th of August, 2025, dropping from $7.50 to $7.07. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 9.50%. with a low of $6.92 and a high of $7.58. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 32.41% during this period. Notably, the trading volume also fell on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally seen as a positive sign, as volume typically should align with stock movement. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 118,000 shares, with a total of 171,000 shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $1.21 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $40, while the lowest was $4.61. Currently, the price stands 82.33%, or $32.93, below the 52-week high of $40, which is also the all-time high for the stock. ARAI AI, trading under the NASDAQ symbol ARA, is generating buzz ahead of its inaugural quarterly results call, scheduled for the 14th of August, 2025. This event marks a critical moment as investors look to assess the company's performance following its recent NASDAQ debut. A positive earnings report could bolster investor confidence and drive the stock price higher in the short term. Earlier this week, the company celebrated the Federal Aviation Administration's new drone regulations, which are expected to enhance package delivery security and allow drone operations beyond visual line of sight. These regulatory changes could propel innovation in the autonomous delivery sector, positioning ARA as a leader in this burgeoning market. In addition, ARA has announced plans to triple its workforce, indicating strong growth ambitions and an expansion that could result in enhanced operational capabilities. Furthermore, partnerships with Walmart in Antigua and Sky Air Mobility in India expand its secure delivery offerings globally, tapping into diverse markets and increasing revenue potential. Selecting Synoptech as a strategic information technology partner underlines ARA's commitment to scalability and technological advancement, which is crucial for maintaining competitive advantage. Overall, these developments position ARAI AI favorably in both the short and long term, making it a compelling stock to watch as it navigates its growth trajectory in the autonomous delivery space. Analysts have assigned ARAI AI stock a general sell rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a rating of strong sell. The following signals have been identified for ARAI AI. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, August 6, 2025, and so far it has risen by approximately 9.27%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near-term development. The stock of ARAI Inc. carries sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal resulting from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance can be expected at levels of $7.18 and $9.19. A breakout above any of these levels will generate buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which is technically positive. It is important to note, however, that this stock may experience low liquidity at times, which heightens the overall risk. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, buy signal 3 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 11 days ago, the long-term moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 28 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for ARAI. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $6.19 and $6.15. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, ARAI Inc. finds support just below today's level at $6.19. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $6.15 and $5.84. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, exhibiting high volatility, and due to periodic low trading volume, it is considered to carry a very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 658 ten-thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, representing a movement of 9.5%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 13.89%. Before we explore the potential favorable trading levels for ARAI, let us briefly discuss some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, persistently negative PE ratios may hint at inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for ARAI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for ARAI is at $7.25. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, ARAI encounters its first support level at $6.19. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for ARAI from multiple analyst sources is sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of June, 2025, O'Toole Daniel Stephen conducted an insider sell of 434,672 shares of common stock. On the same day, Richardson John David conducted an insider sell of 72,500 shares of common stock. Also, on that date, Shah Nirav Dilip conducted an insider sell of 65,000 shares of common stock. Finally, on the 10th of June, 2025, O'Toole Laura Taylor conducted an insider sell of 4,644 shares of common stock. Based on the 4 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 92.003. Overall, Insiders purchased 0 shares and sold 576,816 shares in the last 4 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $6.76, which reflects a decrease of 4.34%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, indicating a significant level of risk. Notably, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 2 days ago. Is ARAI AI stock a good buy? ARAI AI Inc. shows several negative signals, suggesting it should be a sell candidate. However, given the potential for a turnaround, it may be prudent to consider it a hold candidate, which means holding or accumulating shares for now while awaiting further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, IR systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 11th of August, we expect ARAI AI to open higher by approximately 119/100ths of a dollar, starting trading at $7.19. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.